Sister Noura from Algeria is asking about if she attends a halqa or a program on television which is a religious program, would that be considered majlisu dhikr, a setting of seeking knowledge or remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Learning anything, an ayah in the book of Allah, is superior to praying so many rak'ahs, is superior to praying tahajjud. Learning one mas'alah and the essence of the hukm or the ruling, like in our program, Ask Huda is dedicated to answer questions. Perhaps some of the viewers, they only call in, drop us a call because of a particular mas'ala they have. Other people are watching, so they may benefit from the answer which is delivered to somebody else's question, which obviously one day it's going to be my question, or it was my question. Or I may have heard a different answer, and now I'm hearing an answer with a reference. And if I'm not completely satisfied, I'm going to call and I'm going to ask again to confirm whether this is halal or this is haram or this is disliked, and what is the difference between haram and makruh and all of that. So these halqas are considered majalis or dhikr. The only difference is virtual. You're not attending physically in the studio, or the sheikh is not attending physically with you. What matters is the purpose is achieved, the mission is accomplished, learning. In the hadith, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, من سلك طريقا يبتغي به علما سهل الله له به طريقا إلى الجنة. And this is a beautiful hadith that we all should memorize, learn, and try to act upon it to the best of our ability. Whoever takes a path, seeks a path in order to learn and seek knowledge, Allah will facilitate thereof a path for him towards entering paradise. So, I normally share this hadith with my students who are studying with me on online, the distant learning, the virtual room, whether in Mishka University, the Islamic University of North America, or New Muslim Academy, or here or there. Basically, Allah made it easy for all of us to seek knowledge at the convenience of our home, sometimes the convenience of your bedroom. So if you're paying attention, if you're attending with the intention of seeking knowledge, you're definitely learning and you're definitely being rewarded for that. Even if it is not live, you're listening to a recorded lecture, a recorded Q&A session, you're reading an article explaining the ahkam of whatever, tajweed or any other subject, that is majlis al-dhikr, whether it is individual or in a congregation.